Hi, hello, welcome back to the channel. Now it's around 4:57 a.m. and right now I'm in Bangalore and I'm going back to Mangalore right now. So I thought on the way I'll visit HERUR Hills, that is near Sakleshpur. So it is around 238 kilometers from here. So let's see if I'm able to go till the top of HERUR Hills. As I'm riding there solo again, let's hope I'll make it to the top. Anyway, let's get going. Very cold. ಈ ಗವಿ ಬೆಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು? ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ಗಾಡಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇರೋದು?
ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾವ.
ಹಾಂ,
2 ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ರೋಡಿ ಬಲ್ಗಡಿ ಎಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಡ, ಬಲ್ಗಡಿ ಹೋಗಿ
ಬಲ್ಗಡೆಗೆ. So as usual, Google Map is messing. Actually Gavi Betta is, the route is here, but it is showing somewhere else. Okay, off-road starts. Jingalaka, jingalaka. So, boy, I don't know whether this is a private estate or whatever it is. But it is good. ಹೋಗೋಣ. Okay, found this beautiful place. So peaceful here. Okay, let's get going. Gavi Betta, the route is from there, so let's get going. This is the route to Gavi Betta. That is what I think. Let's see. Oh, shit. One more split. I don't know which route I'm taking. This route. I don't know. Oh, the route is correct or not? Let's boy. Okay, we are, I guess, in the correct place. This is going uphill, so I guess this should be the correct route. But again, it is going downhill. Oh no, or is it? Nah. This one I don't think it can go. Difficult off-road. This actually is steeper than it is, like it looks in the video. Let's try and go till the top. Boy. Nah. Okay. Two splits. Now which one goes to where? Let's go. I should guess. Yes, I should be taking. That was the tricky part. Oh shit man. Oh fuck. Finally. Whew. Oh. Yes. So beautiful. still there is a way to go to that shop. So let's go there. I don't know if this road goes to that place over there. If it goes, then we can go till that is more appealing. I don't think the camera is able to capture it properly, but still it has two peaks. Gavi Betta. I guess that is the second peak in those two. I don't know if we can go from this path or not. I'm just trying to go there. Let's see if this path goes till there or not. Let's go. ಈ ರೋಡ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಆ ಕಡೆಗೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದ So I went till there to check the route. Actually I guess that route goes till there and to the other peak, but the road is very slippery and I am all alone and I don't think I want to take any risk over there. Boy. Beautiful place. Now this is the trick part. Getting down from here. Oh, there. While they're standing there. I'll stand. Oh, fuck. No. all this risk was worth. Seeing that viewpoint was amazing actually. But if I had someone with me, I would have gone to the other two peaks as well. Oh shit, I guess I'll break my front suspension by the time I'll reach down today. So I just came down from there. So now I have to go back home. It's around 120 kilometers from here. I'm taking the Bisleghat Subrahmanya road. So 120. Okay, let's turn off the internet where I can save some battery. जुगाड़ चलो boy. And I guess we are near Bisleghat viewpoint. So that's our Bisleghat viewpoint. We have to walk like 100 or 200 meters to that top. I'm not going today. And I guess I'll end this vlog here. I don't think there is anything to show here in this road. Already you have seen in my last video. So that ride to Gavi Betta. So I guess that's it. I'll bring more videos coming up. Let's see what will be my next ride or where I'll be going. So till then, thanks for watching this video. If you are like the content which I make, just like, share, comment and subscribe to the videos. And thanks for watching this video. Till the next video, tata, bye bye, thank you.